Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll tell you tips that will make 2025 the best year of your life. This isn't just about setting new goals for the new year. It's about living your best life and adding tiny, powerful habits that will make each day feel like a win for you. And if you're like me, you're definitely pumped for a fresh start. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook because this is going to be fun and doable. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Dream big with clarity. Alright, the first thing we're going to talk on is dreaming big, but with clarity. We always start the new year with these massive ideas and goals, but halfway through, we realize we're overwhelmed or just not as committed as we hoped. Instead of making a random list of goals for the year, set 3 goals that you can achieve in a month. You can use a dreamy, aesthetic planner that would motivate you to visit it daily. Remember to take things step by step, not all at once. Tip 2. Self-care ritual. Next up, let's talk about self-care. Now, self-care isn't just about pampering yourself, although, let's be real, that's a big part of it. It's about recharging so you have the energy to show up for yourself. Think of it as filling up your battery life. You wouldn't walk around with a 5% phone battery, right? Same goes for your energy. Try adding small self-care rituals to your 2025 plans, ones that make you feel pampered and recharged. It could be a 10-minute skincare routine in the morning, weekly journaling, yoga, or a mini dance break in your room. Who needs a gym when you have K-pop, right? Keep it fun, and don't overthink it. Tip 3. Goal setting. Alright, let's talk about our goals for 2025, but let's keep it fun. I don't know about you, but if my goals are just written on a plain sheet of paper, I'll probably forget them by February. But if they're in a cute bullet journal with sparkly pens and stickers, I'm there for it. So, use bright colors and fun stickers to track your progress and keep your goals visible. You can break down big goals into monthly or weekly tasks. This way, you'll feel like you're constantly moving forward. Set 3 main goals monthly. Keep them visible on a cute board or notebook. And don't forget to reward yourself when you reach them. Tip 4. Positive friendships. Let's talk friendships, okay? You know that feeling when you're with a friend and you're both hyping each other up like, yes girl, you're going to crush this. That's the energy we need in 2025. Surround yourself with friends who make you feel good about yourself, friends who celebrate your wins and make you laugh when you need it most. You can even set a goal to reach out to friends who inspire you and maybe meet new ones too. Go to events, join clubs, or follow inspiring accounts like mine online. You'd be surprised how much you can learn and grow just from having people in your corner. Tip 5. Keep a positive mindset. Alright, let's talk about our mindset. They say, what you think is what you become. So, let's think positive. You know when you're in a bad mood and it just seems like everything goes wrong that day? That's because your mind is already expecting the worst. Let's flip that switch. When you wake up, try saying something positive to yourself like, today's going to be amazing and see what happens. Or just look in the mirror and say, girl, you're looking fabulous today, and watch your confidence skyrocket. Tip 6. Stay organized and productive. Ever notice how much easier it is to focus when your space is actually clean and cute? Being organized doesn't have to be boring. Make your space beautiful and inspiring. Set up a cozy study corner, organize your planner, and add motivational quotes around you. Also get some cute organizing supplies and create a morning or night routine to keep track of your tasks for the next day. Tip 7. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can be the most powerful decision you make in the year 2025. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Every new skill or lesson makes you stronger. Whether it's learning something new, taking a class, or just reading more, investing in yourself will make you feel more confident and prepared for the future. Challenge yourself to try something new every month, even if it's as simple as learning a new recipe or as big as learning to code. By the end of 2025, you'll be amazed at how much you've grown. Tip 8. Practice gratitude daily. Okay, real talk ladies. Who here has thought about keeping a gratitude journal but never actually sticks to it? You're not alone. It's easy to get excited and then 2 weeks later, get stuck staring at the page like, oh, what am I grateful for today? Sunshine, but here's a trick to keep it fresh and fun. Treat your gratitude journal like a little highlight reel of your day. What are those small, funny, heartwarming moments that deserve a little shout out? At night, grab your cute pen and maybe even add stickers or doodles. Writing down 3 things you're grateful for can make even the craziest days feel a little brighter. Tip 9. Be willing to grow. Let's get real about change. It's awkward and sometimes a little terrifying. Growing means stepping out of your comfort zone and just going for it, even if you fail. Write down a bucket list of things you'd like to try in 2025 before the year ends, from simple ones like baking a new recipe to more adventurous ideas like taking a solo trip. And don't worry if they turn out messy. Growth doesn't have to be pretty to be worth it. Tip 10. Reflect and celebrate. As the year goes by, we tend to forget the little wins. You might think you haven't done much, but girl, let's remember all the mini victories. Like, did you go to the gym that one time when you didn't feel like it? That's a victory. Managed to drink enough water one whole day? That's queen status. In 2025, let's celebrate every single win, big or small. Here's a fun idea. Keep a win jar every time something good happens. Write it down on a small piece of paper and pop it in the jar. Then, at the end of the year, you'll have this adorable collection of memories to look back on. You deserve to celebrate every step. And that's it, girls. Your ultimate guide to making 2025 the year you absolutely slay. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about having fun, growing, and celebrating yourself every step of the way. Comment below what goals you're setting for 2025, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community of amazing girls ready to conquer the year together. Thanks for watching.